Axalta's 3 global refinish brands help body shops stay ahead of the game with additional training dates. With a marked increase in smart repairs, as well as the techniques needed to carry out repairs on more complex finishes, body shops need to be not only at the top of the game, but ahead of it. Cromax, Spies Hecker and Standox, the 3 premium global refinish brands from Axalta Coating Systems, global supplier of liquid and powder coatings, understand just how important this is. By adding more training opportunities in these specific fields to the 2018 training course programs, the brands are enabling refinishers to meet the diverse needs of vehicle owners with productive, accurate, top-quality repairs. Kevin Welling, Training Academy Manager for Axalta Coating Systems in the UK and Ireland, said, "We have noticed a rising trend in body shops carrying out small to medium-sized repairs, which are quick and easy to process, benefiting both the body shops and vehicle owners. But for body shops to maximize the benefit, they need to be properly trained in the correct repair techniques." To support body shops with training in this field, Cromax, Spies Hecker and Standox have added additional dates to the respective speed repair, fast repair and micro repair training courses throughout 2018. On the other end of the spectrum, there are a growing number of high-end vehicles sporting complex finishes such as textured mattes and tinted clears, which require an extra level of expertise to repair. Refinishers also need training in these specialized areas. We introduced courses for these types of repair a few years ago, but the level of demand has steadily grown as more OEMs are now using these finishers. Refinishers are looking for high-quality training so that they can offer outstanding repairs to this new clientele. These training courses are very popular and filling up fast, adds Kevin. Training takes place at the Axalta Refinish Academy in Welwyn Garden City, Hertfordshire, where each brand has its own dedicated training room, mixing area and spray booth. As well as the full complement of courses offered by the 3 brands, refinishers can also undertake IMI assessment training at the Refinish Academy. Courses can be booked from each of the brand's web shops: www.cromistore.co.uk, www.spiesheckwebshop.co.uk, www.standoshop.co.uk.